Good morning, dear students. In a previous lecture, we have solved the miscellaneous exercise on chapter 10, question number 8, 9, 10. Okay, students, question number 11 and question number 12 you will solve yourself. Today we are solve the question number 13. So that the equation of the line passing through origin and making an angle theta with the line y equal to mx plus c is y by x is equal to m plus minus tan theta upon 1 minus plus m tan theta. Okay, students, here show that the equation of the line passing through the origin and making an angle theta with the line y equal to mx plus c is y by x is equal to m plus minus tan theta upon 1 minus plus m tan theta. Okay, students, solution. In this question, suppose that line passing through the point O 0, 0, O is the origin and line making the angle theta with y equal to mx plus c. Suppose that this angle is the theta. Line passing through the origin, we consider an equation of line passing through 0, 0 is y equal to m1x. Here c is the 0. Why, students? Because line passing through the points 0, 0, which is denoted as 1, and given that y equal to mx plus c, which is denoted by 2, the angle between 1 and 2 is the theta, and angle theta between 1 and 2. Okay, students, we have already discussed angle between two lines in their slopes. Tan theta equal to mod of m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 into m2, where m1 is the slope of the line L1 and m2 is the slope of line L2. Okay, students, in this case slope of line 1 is the m1 and the slope of the line 2 is the m. Okay, students, and theta is the angle between 1 and 2. So tan theta is equal to mod of m1 minus m upon 1 plus m1 into m, where m1 is the slope of the line first and m is the slope of the line second. And in this question given that equation of the line which is a passes through the origin, to make an angle theta with the line y equal to mx plus c. This implies that we put the value of m1 from 1, m1 is y by x. We find the value of m1 from 1 is y by x. We get tan theta equal to mod of the value of m1 is the y by x minus m upon 1 plus y by x into m. Okay students, therefore tan theta equal to y by x minus m upon 1 plus y by x into m, or tan theta equal to minus y by x minus m upon 1 plus y by x into m. Okay students, we know that if mod of x equal to a, this implies that x equal to plus minus a. Okay students, then tan theta equal to mod of y by x minus m upon 1 plus y by x into m. This implies that tan theta is the positive y by x minus m upon 1 plus y by x into m, or tan theta equal to minus y by x minus m upon 1 plus y by x into m. Okay students, case first, tan theta equal to y by x minus m upon 1 plus y by x into m. This implies that tan theta plus y by x into m tan theta, this equal to y by x minus m. Okay students, this implies that y by x minus y by x m tan theta is equal to m plus tan theta. Okay students, this implies that we take the common y by x 1 minus m tan theta equal to m plus tan theta. This implies that y by x is equal to m plus tan theta upon 1 minus m tan theta. Okay students, again case second, if tan theta equal to minus y by x minus m upon 1 plus y by x into m. We simplify this as above. We find the value of y upon x is equal to m minus tan theta upon 1 plus m tan theta. Here A and B. From A and B we get y upon x is equal to m plus minus tan theta upon 1 minus here plus m tan theta, which is required equation of the line, hence proved. Okay students, you understood this question. Let us move on question number 14. Question number 14 is, in what ratio the line joining minus 1 comma 1 and 5 comma 7 is divided by the line x plus y is equal to 4. Okay students, here suppose that x plus y equal to 4, which is the equation of the line, and 2 points minus 1 comma 1 and 5 comma 7 joining the line segment 2 points minus 1 comma 1 and 5 comma 7. In what ratio the line joining minus 1 comma 1 and 5 comma 7 is the divided by the line x plus y is equal to 4. Suppose that this point is a C. In this question we will find the ratio of AC and BC. That means in what ratio the line minus 1 comma 1 and 5 comma 7 is the divided by line x plus y is equal to 4. Then we will to find ratio AC ratio BC. Okay students, in this question given that coordinate of point A is the minus 1 comma 1 and coordinate of point B is the 5 comma 7, If we will find the coordinate of the point C, we can find the easily AC ratio BC. AC ratio BC. First of all, we find the equation of line which is passing through -1, 1 and 5, 7. Then we will find the intersection point of these two equations. We can solve these two equations, find the value of x and y. The value of x and y is the coordinate of the point C. Then further we find the AC ratio BC. Okay students, we have already discussed about equation of the line which is passes through the point x1, y1, x2, y2 is the y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Using this formula, we find the equation of the line segment AB. Y minus y1, that means 1, is equal to y2 7 minus 1, x2 5 minus plus 1, x plus 1, x minus x1, here x1 is the minus 1. Okay students, this implies that y minus 1 equal to 6 upon 6 x plus 1. This implies that 6 upon 6 will be cancelled, y minus 1 equal to x plus 1. This implies that x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0, is equal to 0, which is denoted by 1, and given that x plus y is equal to 4, which is denoted 2. We solve these two equations. Equation 1, we solve these two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. We get find the value of x and y. X minus y is equal to minus 2. This will be cancelled. 2x is equal to 2. This implies that x equal to 1. We put the value of x in 1 and find the value of y. X minus y plus 2 equal to 0. This implies that 1 minus y plus 2 equal to 0. This implies that y equal to 3. Hence the coordinate of point C is 1, 3. 1, 3. We suppose that 1, 3 divided line joining minus 1, 1 and 5, 7 is 1:k. Okay students, here we suppose that the 1, 3, that means this point divides the line segment AB is 1:k. Okay students, using section formula, that means 1,3 equal to here 1 and this is the k. 1 multiply 5 plus k multiply -1, k multiply -1 upon 1 plus k, comma 1 multiply 7 and k multiply 1 upon 1 plus k. This implies that 1,3 equal to here 5 minus k upon 1 plus k, comma 7 plus k upon 1 plus k. Okay students, comparing x coordinate and y coordinate, we get 5 minus k upon 1 plus k is equal to 1 and 7 plus k upon 1 plus k is equal to 3. We will solve 5 minus k upon 1 plus k equal to 1 and find the value of k. 5 minus k equal to 1 plus k implies that 5 minus 1 k plus k equal to 2. If you will find the value of k from here, then also you will find value of k equal to 2. Hence AC ratio CB equal to 1:2. 1:2. Answer 1:2. Question number 15. Find the distance of the line 4x plus 7y plus 5 equal to 0 from the point 1, 2 along the line 2x minus y equal to 0. Suppose that x minus y equal to 0, which is the equation of this line. Find the distance of the line 4x plus 7y plus 5 equal to 0 from the point 1, 2 along the line 2x minus y equal to 0. Here suppose that point A 1, 2. Find the distance of a line 4x plus 7y plus 5 equal to 0 from the point 1, 2 along the line 2x minus y equal to 0. Suppose that line 4x plus 7y plus 5 equal to 0 and 2x minus y equal to 0 meets on point B. In this question we find the distance AB. Okay students, point 1, 2 lies on the line 2x minus y equal to 0. 2x minus y equal to 0. We find the distance of line along to this line from the point 1 comma 2. Okay students, we observe that first of all we find the coordinate of point B. Point B is the intersection of these two lines. Okay students, then using the formula distance between two line, we find the distance AB. Okay students, here B is intersection point of the lines 4x plus 7y plus 5 equal to 0 and 2x minus y equal to 0. This is denoted by 1 and this is denoted by 2. We will solve equation 1 and 2 and find the value of x and y. Okay students, this implies that equation 2 is also written as 4x minus 2y equal to 0. We multiplied 2 on both sides. Here equation number 1 is the 4x plus 7y is equal to minus 5. Minus plus, this will be cancelled, and minus 9y is equal to 5. This implies that y equal to 5 by 9. 5 by 9 from 2 we get 2x minus y equal to 0. This implies that 2x minus 5 by 9 equal to 0. This implies that 2x equal to 5 by 9. This implies that x equal to 5 by 18. 5 by 18. Here the value of x is equal to 5 by 18 and y equal to 5 by 9. Hence the coordinate of point B is the 5 by 18 comma 5 by 9. Okay students, we will find distance between A and B. We will find the distance between AB. AB is equal to square root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Using this formula we find the distance between 2 points A and B. Here the coordinate of point A is the 1 comma 2 and coordinate of point B is the 5 upon 18 comma 5 upon 9. x1 is the 1 and x2 is the 5 by 18, y1 is the 2 and y2 equal to 5 by 9. Okay students, we put the value of x1, x2, 1 minus 5 by 18 whole square plus y1 and y2. y1 is the 2 minus 5 by 9 whole square. This implies that AB is equal to square root 18 1 ja 18 minus 5 is the 13 by 18 whole square plus 9 2 ja 18 minus 5 is the 13 by 9 whole square. This implies that AB is equal to 13 upon 9 whole square into 1 by 2 whole square plus 13 upon 9 whole square. Here 13 by 18 whole square is the written as 13 by 9 whole square into 1 by 2 whole square. Okay students, this implies that AB equal to 13 by 9 square root 1 by 2 whole square plus 1. We take the common 13 by 9 whole square. Okay students, this implies that AB is equal to 13 by 9 square root 1 by 4 plus 1. This implies that AB equal to 13 by 9 square root 5 upon 4. This implies that AB equal to 13 by 9 square root 5 upon 2. Here students, square root of 4 is the 2. This implies that AB equal to 13 square root 5 upon 18. 9 2 ja 18 units, which is your answer. The distance of the line 4x plus 7y plus 5 equal to 0 from the point 1 comma 2 along the line 2x minus y equal to 0 is 13 square root 5 upon 18 unit. Okay students, you understood this question. You will try to solve remaining question of miscellaneous exercise on chapter 10. Okay students, thank you.